Hey guys, I'm here in Watts, California. I'm standing outside of the world famous Watts Tower right over here. There it is. See? Oh, there it is. So I came all the way effing down here and yeah, so I saw this. I kind of wish you guys would put this in the damn website, but it's very frustrating. Yeah. Dude, someone's find a kite. Anyways, I had created a whole bunch of jokes about how magnificent and wonderful this was, but I guess they're fixing it up. I don't know. It's kind of frustrating that I just went all the way down here, you know. Like toughed it out because it's like raining too, so I don't know. But how can it possibly keep standing? I don't know. Is that what this is? I don't know. This would have been a great video. I made up a whole bunch of freaking jokes and it actually looks really cool. It's just, I guess the joke's on me. Okay guys, so I'm in the Watts Tower Art Museum, and there's even like more bad news, but this is the art museum. See, there's no art on the walls. I guess they don't have a featured artist right now, so but they have this documentary. They let me watch this 10-minute documentary here. So it's actually about the Watts Tower and about this guy here. This guy, the guy that created the towers. It's kind of creepy. Like, I'm watching this documentary, making this video, and this guy is just staring right at me. Just right.
The people of the town have long wondered about Sam and the community.
Yeah.